In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Xero Invoice. If you bill customers in more than one country, switching the currency on an invoice is a simple way to keep amounts clear and accurate. Before we start, a quick note. You can only change the currency while an invoice is in draft, and multi-currency needs to be available in your Xero plan. If the invoice is already approved or paid, the currency can't be changed on that document. Once you're in Xero, head to the sales area. This is your hub for quotes, invoices, and customer activity. From there, go into invoices. You'll see all your invoices grouped by status, which makes it easy to find what you're working on. Next, open the draft section. Drafts are editable, which is why we're starting here. Find the draft invoice you want to adjust and select it to open the edit screen. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct invoice by checking the contact name, date, and line items. Keeping everything in draft at this stage ensures you can tweak details without affecting your accounting. Now, look for the currency field on the invoice. You'll see the current currency code displayed on the invoice header. Click that currency to open the currency selector. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly find the currency you prefer. Type a few letters of the currency name or its three-letter code, then choose the one you need. After selecting the new currency, Xero will recalculate the invoice amounts based on the current exchange rate it uses for your organization. Give the totals a careful review. Check that the currency symbol looks right, that line amounts still reflect what you intend to charge, and that any tax calculations make sense in the new currency. If your contact has a default currency set, make sure your choice aligns with that, so future invoices stay consistent. It's a good practice to double check item descriptions and unit prices as well, especially if you quoted customers in a different currency beforehand. If you work with fixed price agreements, confirm the converted total matches what you promised. If needed, you can add a brief note in the invoice message to clarify that the invoice is issued in the new currency. That's all there is to it. By navigating to sales, opening invoices, choosing your draft, and updating the currency field, you can switch an invoice to the correct currency in just a few clicks, keeping your records clean and your customers clear on exactly what they owe.